This is a Budgie kiddie ride. This ride. Budgie theme song. Unfortunately.
This is fun. Come in, Peppa. Budgie to Peppa. Come in, Peppa. Budgie to Peppa. Come in, Peppa.
This ride used to be in Edison Mall. It has the start button message from has the 2001 song. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. It has the 2001 ending message.
Budgie to Peppa. Come in, Peppa. 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 Thanks for riding with us. Come back soon.
And that was the Budgie, the little helicopter kiddie ride, manufactured by R.D. Mitchell, and 2001 ending message, filmed at Miramar Outlets.